All right, more breaking inputs coming in on the Andhra situation. This as Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu has gone on record to say that today on the occasion of Kartik Masam, many people went there for darshan. They did not even inform the police. At least if they would have informed the police, we would have set up police protection and controlled the situation. Remember, this is a private temple in Palasa town. As far as the Venkateshwara temple is called, it's called the Channi Venkateshwara, meaning the Channi Tirupati, because meaning Little Tirupati, and this is a private temple. There's also an arrest that's been made, but officials from the police to now CM himself going on record to state that there was no prior bandobast or police permission sought over there, only so that security could have been amply provided. At the same time, the SP of Palasa town has also confirmed that this is not a stampede. It all happened because an accident took place due to a collapse of an iron railing. Let's listen into a reaction.
కానీ ఈ రోజు మీరు చూస్తే కాశీబుగ్గ టౌన్లో ఒక ప్రైవేటు వ్యక్తి వెంకటేశ్వర దేవాలయాన్ని కట్టాడు. అక్కడి నుంచి కార్తీక మాసం ఈరోజు చాలా మంది అక్కడ దర్శనానికి వెళ్ళిపోయారు. కనీసం ఆయన చేసినప్పుడు పోలీసుకు కూడా చెప్పలేదు. చెప్పుంటే పోలీస్ ప్రొటెక్షన్ పెట్టి ఎక్కడికక్కడ కంట్రోల్ చేసేవారం. అది చేయని దానివల్ల అక్కడ వచ్చిన వాడు కూడా ఒక ఆర్డర్ ప్రకారం లేకుండా, క్రమశిక్షణ లేకుండా 9 మంది తొక్కిడికి గురయ్యి చనిపోయే పరిస్థితికి వచ్చారు. 5 మందికి ఇంజరీస్ కూడా అయినాయి. ఇది చాలా బాధాకరం. నేను ప్రతి ఒక్క ప్రాణాన్ని కాపాడుకోవాలని అనేక ప్రయత్నాలు చేస్తా ఉంటే కొంతమంది ప్రైవేటు వ్యక్తులు ఇలాంటి కార్యక్రమాలు చేయడం చాలా బాధాకరం. దీన్ని నేను చాలా తీవ్రంగా ఖండిస్తున్నా.
All right, let's quickly go across to Aneri Shah, who's joining me on the broadcast with the latest input. So, Aneri, it's confirmed now, not just the SP of Palasa, but we've also heard what the Chief Minister has had to say. There was no prior sort of permission sought from the police officials or even government authorities kept in the loop.
Right. What we are seeing is that now the first response coming in from Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu over the unfortunate incident that took place in Kashibugga in Srikakulam, where he states that on the occasion of Ekadashi, a large number of people had gathered there at the temple premises, and also at the same time what the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh has stated is that 9 people have lost their life and 5 of them are injured and they are undergoing treatment. Well, what we are also learning is that Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister has given a stern warning over such incidents, and he has stated that strict action will be taken, and there also the action will be taken against those who are responsible. It is a private person who had constructed this temple, a Venkateshwar Swami temple there in Kashibugga, and the police was not informed about it. And also at the same time, if they would have informed the police, then they would have set up barricades and brought this and the situation would have been controlled. And what we see is that 9 people have lost their lives and 5 of them are injured. And now what we are also learning from our sources in the Andhra Pradesh government is that this temple was constructed almost 4 months back, and the temple construction was not yet over. And that is the reason why there were only steel railings which were set up, but due to overcrowding that couldn't handle, and that led to this stampede-like situation.
At the same time, it's extremely unfortunate that such a holy day has now turned into this human tragedy. But give us a sense of what the rescue and relief operations have been like so far. Is the temple completely barricaded? What's the condition of the injured that you're learning of?
Well, 2 are said to be critical, 2 women are said to be critical, and they are undergoing treatment. But as of now, what we are getting to know is that the area is completely cordoned off by the authorities. Well, Andhra Pradesh IT Minister and other authorities will be Nara Lokesh and other authorities will be visiting the temple site and also the hospital later in the day. But also now the situation has been brought under control. The injured have been shifted to the hospital and they are undergoing treatment at the hospital. But then now the larger question remains is that what led to this very incident? Well, though we know that the permission was not taken by the authorities from the police officials, but then a large number of people, unexpected crowd had gathered there. This was a newly opened temple just 4 months back. One of a private persons had opened this. Had constructed this Venkateshwar Swami temple, a similar small Tirupati temple, which was constructed here in Kashi Bugga,
Right.
but then the information was not given to the police officials that there could be such a huge gathering that would take place.
Absolutely. What this tragedy has highlighted are certain lapses which we'd also like to bring to our viewers' notice. Many thanks to you, Anneri, for bringing us those inputs. Now,